Hi guys, I just want to tell you about the Snore Doc SnoRemover that I've started to use. I couldn't sleep in the bedroom with my wife anymore because I was just literally keeping her awake all the time with the snoring. But now with this, it's really helped. It's a great little product. You just heat it up in hot water and you bite down on it and it molds to your mouth. It's really easy to breathe with, and yeah, it's been a game changer.
It's a great carry case. You can put it in there in the morning.
That's right, there's a little carry case, and yep, it's really brilliant. Don't know what I've done without it, don't know how I lived without it before.
Neither do I.
I'm back in the bedroom now, sleeping with my wife again in the same room, which makes a big difference. So thanks to this little guy here.
Happy days,
Yep.
Snore Doc.